Hi, my name is Yonathan Anahory. I was born and raised in Montreal, Canada. I joined Hebrew University about 5 years ago, where I founded my own group called the Quantum Imaging Lab. The lab is essentially centered around a technique that I've developed over the last 10 years or so. This technique, you can think about it as a microscope, but instead of a microscope that works with lenses that essentially show you the light that comes through your sample, it images something completely different. It images the field lines, the magnetic field lines that emerges from a sample. What is special about this technique, its resolution and its sensitivity. So resolution-wise, we can go down to a resolution that were never accessible before, down to a few tens of nanometer. And sensitivity-wise, we can actually detect magnetic moments that are as small as the spin of a single electron. So this is another type of microscope that allows us to see things that until now were not visible. So that I think is very exciting because again, it opens, many opportunities to look at things and you can say, wow, I'm looking at this thing and no one else could look at this thing before with that level of sensitivity and resolution. So as you can see, I'm extremely excited by my research, and I would be more than happy to show you this in real life during your next visit at the Hebrew University of Jerusalem. Et comme vous pouvez voir, je suis extrêmement passionné par ma recherche, puis j'aimerais vraiment ça pouvoir vous le montrer dans mon vrai laboratoire, dans la vraie vie, lors de votre prochaine visite à l'Université hébraïque de Jérusalem.